Hi, Derek with Continental Door here today. I'm going to take advantage of the beautiful weather we're having here in Spokane. It's about 20 degrees out, and we get a lot of calls this time of year that the door stuck to the ground, and that will either hurt your motor, hurt your bottom astrogol, where the top section, where the pickup arm connects to your top section, that could rip out because the door's stuck. And what I find happens is if you park in your garage or walk in your garage, you can see where the snow here is blocked up and your astrogol sits right here. Your bottom rubber is known as astrogol, sits right here. And if your tire tracks usually get melted and icy, your door will sit there and compress and overnight freeze, and it'll preclude your door from operating and break free, or over time wear out your garage door system. So they do offer a product called Slick It, where you can actually kind of add a wax barrier on your astrogol. Can work, but ideally the best thing to do is either put down some pet safe rock salt de-icer where your threshold sits, that'll help, or just keep it shoveled and clean of any water or ice tracks, and that'll really help. Or also, if you notice build up on the bottom section as well, getting that cleaned up from the ice, and that'll help preserve your system. And it's just on snowy days like today. Thanks for watching, and for any help, please feel free to look at us, call us, or see us online. Thank you.